You feel good?
I feel good. I mean, I don't know if you want to go mess around.
Oh my God. Wow.
Brian Shaw versus Eddie Hall, in my eyes, was the match of the night at King of the Table 13. The intensity, the hype, the trash talk, the suspense, everything was unmatchable, and every fan seemed to be enjoying it a lot. Even though Brian won the super match, and he seemed genuinely happy afterwards and kind of relieved after it ended, still 4-2 is not the score that the fans and Mr. Shaw himself expected from this match. But still, Eddie is also a former world's strongest man, and he moves really good on the table. So I guess there is no shame in losing a couple of rounds against a guy that looked that good. So what's next for this mountain of a man? First of all, the obvious stuff which Brian himself mentioned by saying that he's going to prepare well, prepare better for the next match. So I guess Eddie Hall's plans to retire Brian Shaw have successfully and fortunately failed. So yeah, some of the basic stuff which Devon also taught him to be a little bit more tougher on the referees and on the opponents in the setup, as bad as it may sound, but it could have worked even better for Brian Shaw if he did that in this super match. Obviously, he was focused, he was not distracted. Even though Eddie's trash talk was great, still it didn't really work on him, but he can be a little bit tougher in the setup for sure. Then after that, stop listening to anything else that Devon teaches him. There will be a time when Devon's advice, his complex trainings, his complex teachings will have a place in Brian Shaw's arm wrestling career, but he's not there, not just yet. Imagine Brian being the strongest grip guy in the world, following Devon's first and his most important advice to never hold on to anyone. Brian would have lost that match 6-0 if he paid attention to that advice, so he doesn't need to do that. I think Devon assumes that everyone is as good at slipping as himself, and it's clearly not the case. So the second advice is to immediately say no to the Kirill Sarychev match that will be offered to him. They're already talking about it. I think Brian may not be too far off from Kirill, but he's still too far off from Kirill. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. Like, that match will not look close, at least for the next few months. So I guess Brian can wait for that. Or I should say Kirill Sarychev can wait for that. Before that, we have some other matches for Brian Shaw. Then tournaments can be a great thing for Brian Shaw. They can be his friend, and he can learn to control people without the straps even better, because it seems to be working even for the top level guys. Not against Devon because he's amazing at slipping, but even Tobias Sporong pinned Corey West without the straps in one round, so it can definitely work even at almost the top 5 level in the world. And then he will learn how to get better in the straps as well. This is one part where he seemed to be lacking in this Eddie Hall super match. Then why not go to Larry Wheels and train with him, get him excited about arm wrestling again, upload some arm wrestling videos together, then at least set up a friendly match, if not an official match, against Larry Wheels. What could possibly go wrong with this? Absolutely nothing. And then finally, Neil Pickup versus Brian Shaw. That match needs to happen. I think it is going to be a close one. We all are going to enjoy that. It's not close now, but it will be 6 months from now. That's when I would like to see that. Then just keep your heads up, enjoy your victory like you already said you would. You beat a very strong guy who was moving surprisingly well on the table. Initially, I was thinking that if Eddie gets even one pin over Brian, I'm going to immediately get off the Brian hype train, believing that he can be a threat to the top level guys. But despite that happening, it didn't really turn out to be like that. In fact, I now believe even more that Brian has the potential that Devon keeps on talking about. He just needs to polish it. He needs to arm wrestle more. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe.